Hey there, budget savers. You ever wonder where all your money goes? Well, if you're anything like me, a big chunk might be slipping away in your daily coffee habit. But what if I told you that you can turn that coffee budget into some serious smart spending? Yeah, you heard me right. So let's dive into how you can transform your coffee budget into financial freedom in 2025. First off, those lattes and cappuccinos can add up, right? Let's do some quick math. If you're spending $5 a day on coffee, that's $150 a month and a whopping $1,800 a year. Imagine what you could do with that kind of money. Here's the plan. Step 1. Brew your coffee at home. A good coffee machine costs around $100, and a bag of premium beans might set you back $15. That's a small upfront cost compared to what you'll save in the long run. Plus, you can customize your brew exactly the way you like it. Step 2. Take that extra cash and start a savings account or an investment fund. You'd be surprised how quickly it can grow. For instance, putting away that $1,800 a year at a 7% annual return can get you over $25,000 in 10 years. Now that's some serious smart spending. Next, let's talk about diversifying your savings. Split your coffee savings into 3 categories: emergency fund, investment, and fun fund. The emergency fund is your safety net for unexpected expenses. The investment part can go into stocks, bonds, or even a retirement account. And the fun fund is for those little treats that make life enjoyable, but don't stop there. Use budgeting apps to track your expenses and savings. There are tons of great apps out there like Mint, YNAB, or Pocket Guard. These tools make it super easy to see where your money is going and help you stay on track with your savings goals. And hey, don't forget about the power of community. Join online groups or forums where you can share tips and get advice from fellow budget savers. Sometimes just knowing you're not alone can make a huge difference. So there you have it. By making a small change like brewing your own coffee, you can save big and turn that money into smart spending. Remember, it's not about depriving yourself but making smarter choices. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more smart spending tips. Let's make 2025 the year we take control of our finances, one coffee at a time. Thanks for watching.